Welcome to my video. In this video, I am sharing some easy-peasy ways to speak English. Here are some tips of English which I am going to share with you. Here we go, hopefully it will help you. The first step is practice. Without it, speaking fluently is very difficult. You can't learn it in 1 or 2 days. You need to keep practicing to achieve the goal. So, best of luck. Tips. Present. I go for a walk. Past. I went for a walk. Future. I shall go for a walk. Some important verbs which are used in our daily life, like walk, look, run, go, help, keep, know, hear, let, come, talk, think, work, start, ask, become, begin. Start speaking English. Verbs in your life. It will help a lot. Like daily routine verbs, occupational verbs, daily conversation verbs, atmosphere or weather verbs. Start to speak English confidently. Whether the grammar is perfect or not. Boost your confidence. Try to watch and listen English content for amazing and effective results. Hopefully, these tips and tricks will help you a lot. For more amazing content and videos, subscribe my channel and do like and share. Thanks for watching.